Hi guys, TNT Quickies once again. We're here at Julia's amazing garden, and today we're gonna do
absolute classics.
Yes, what is that?
Salsa Roja, martajada.
Martajada, baby. See you in a bite.
See you in a bite.
Nice,
Cool.
that's it. That's the one.
Bye! I love it!
All right, guys. We're gonna start off really easy. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use here, and I have a few options for you. This is pepperoncino. This is the red version and the yellow version. Surprisingly enough, this is the hottest one. I prefer to make it with jalapeños, but the spiciness is random. This is of course a habanero and the spiciest of all these. And these are bird's-eye chili, right? Bird's-eye chili. So yeah, you got options. But my preferred is the jalapeno, and then in second place the red pepperoncino because it's not too spicy. Hefty bunch of coriander. I'm gonna use 1 garlic. For this portion, I'm gonna make 5 tomatoes, because we got a lot of people here. Baby. And now, super easy. Everything's gonna be roasted on a pan, medium fire. June bug.
Back. It's
June bag. All right, man. All right, who's the star of the show, huh? Okay. Forgot to include the onions in the first shot. Actually, 2 small onions because I don't have a big one. And flip these until they're all nice and roasted and tomatoes are soft. Also, when the garlic's soft, then we know it's ready. Chilies go faster, so just beware before they pop. And we're gonna caramelize the onions.
Sometimes when I do arroz a la mexicana, I prepare it that way. So I cook, I fry onions like you do with garlic and tomatoes. I make them tanned,
Okay.
or a little bit burnt. And
Tanned, yeah.
Then I mix them.
Roasted.
Roasted, yeah, exactly. Then I mix them and I start to fry the rice with olive oil. And then once it's fried, I add my sauce that I've mixed with the tomatoes and onions and garlic, and then I put a little bit of water and let it cook, and it's just so tasty.
Awesome.
Awesome. And it makes me think of that. Apart from the
chili
chilies,
part, yeah.
there's everything, and garlic.
It's all there. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like when they're done. You don't want to overdo it because it really will just pop in your face. It's happened to me. So tomatoes are almost done, guys. They're nice, getting soft. You start seeing them to crack here, and the skin, looks good, huh? The onion is what really is going to give it the flavor more than anything else that you're roasting.
You want to make them sweat, yeah?
You want to make you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat. YouTube secrets. If you've seen my favorite cook lady, you've all seen Doña Conchita's videos. I got that secret from her. She puts 1 piece of roasted garlic and 1 piece of fresh garlic, so you get both of the best worlds. I'm gonna throw everything in the blender. I'm gonna blend the tomatoes first so that we get a bit more space here. Come on, bad boys. There we go. And we got a lot of space now. And we're gonna put the 2 jalapeños at the top, of course. Bam. Where's my fresh garlic? Yeah, here. Remember to peel this. This is the roasted garlic. Since it's so big, I'm just gonna use that much. And then all the onion. Sack, sack, sack. And then finally all the coriander. A good pinch of salt. And we're gonna blend everything. If you want it chunkier, you don't blend it too long. Done. Try it. All right. I'm gonna taste it now. It's all there. All right. Ta-da! Chido, she says. That's good. Not too hot? Yeah, because I cooked the tomatoes and everything roasted. It's not too hot, but final secret, guys. This bomb. I'm gonna split this in half. Have it for the nice people that don't eat that much chili. And the second version is gonna have the habanero punch. Watch out. Don't do this at home. Do this at home. Chicken there. Cut. You can get that fruitiness from the habanero, but it's also devilish smell. You're welcome to try it, Doodle. But Doodle's filming, so I'm gonna try it. Oh man. If you like this, subscribe, hit that notifications button, like, please leave us a comment. See you next time.